Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get your Microsoft Forms ID. First, go ahead and log in to your Microsoft Forms account. Now, once inside the dashboard, just go ahead and select on the forms where you want to access its ID. Now, once inside the form, on the upper ribbon, just go and click on this Collect Responses button. And in here, you can access its link. So just go ahead and copy it. And there, you will access the ID. Once you copied it, go to another tab. Then, just go and paste in the link that you copied. Now, once you have the link, you will see a text that says here, ID, and beside it are characters that will serve as your form's ID. And that's just basically it. That's how you get your form's ID. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.